This is a push-pull hoe, stirrup hoe. There was a brand name a while back and it kind of stuck. Sometimes hula hoe. If you get one, get a good quality one. This one was $50 at Johnny's Selected Seeds, johnnyseeds.com, and it was well worth it. You can get one a little bit wider or a little bit skinnier depending on your needs. I'm gonna do a little demonstration. This is not to demonstrate what a great gardener I am. I planted these plants on this little bitty square, and the whole idea was to check out if having a garden would be easier with one of these hula hoe thingies. Because right now it's 92 degrees out here. I don't feel like weeding this thing. I hadn't weeded it in over 3 weeks or so. And I just made a little one and put 4 plants in there. And with the weather and everything, the cucumber plants not even worth keeping in there except for this experiment. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean out these weeds. Ugly looking little garden, and see how fast it goes with this hula hoe. You can pull the thing, you can push the thing, you can push pull it. And I kind of use it like a rake too, to rake the weeds out. With this Bermuda grass, it's a little bit of work, but not bad at all. Oh, the sun came out. Now it's really hot. I'm going to set my timer here. Alright, I started my timer. We'll see how long this little project takes. And it's okay to leave them in there because this thing cuts underneath the roots. But sometimes when you do leave them in there, you don't know if they're still growing or not. So I kind of use it for a rake and just kind of get it out of there. This Bermuda around the edge is the most tenacious stuff of all. But even though I undid that, it looks like it's still growing, so I'm getting it out of there as with a rake. Not even working up a sweat yet. I just go along the edge, kind of keep a little bit of a margin on the garden there. This is a weed. Was a weed. And that's really it. This is done. Oh, I missed a couple here. Easy to go back and find the little ones. My timer says a whopping 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay, that's it. So really, if you want a garden, you can see I was kind of doing it fast for a demonstration, but you could have a fairly large garden, and if you get a few minutes now and then, usually when I come out and check and see if I need to eat an okra, I carry this with me, except lately, and just grab the few weeds that are there. So if you want a garden with this, it's not that much work to keep the weeds out. Do that, remember to water it and put a little fertilizer on it once in a while. You ought to have a pretty good garden pretty easy.
Thank you.